Welcome back to another video of UK Knowledge Guru. If you have opened a company recently, then you need a pension scheme. So which pension scheme is best? So I recommend Nest Pension. Why do I recommend this Nest Pension? So if we click on employer over here on top of this is the website nestpensions.org.uk. Why choose Nest? Click on this, benefit for you and your employees. So if we go down and if we read this, we are not for profit pension scheme, and that allows us to remain free for employers. So this is basically you don't pay anything. So in this video, I will show you how to set up Nest Pension and how to start with it. So I have created account for my Nest Pension. So I'm on the page. Obviously, I have requested the page, so it's asking me the temporary access code. So they send me the code on my email address, and I'm mentioning that email address. So I have this over here on top. So the nestpensions.org.uk. So I have provided all the details. I'll click next. It will give me accepting your employer delegate role. So I'm starting with that, my personal details. So title, name, UK mobile number, relationship to your organization. I just need to mention everything in this. I also need to create PIN and confirm your PIN. Password, confirm your password. So I have done that. Now it's asking me choose 2 questions. So I have selected the questions as well. Now it says thank you, ready to start. Log into your Nest. So I have done that. Now it landed on this page where it's asking me the terms and conditions, enter employer information. So on top I have all these details. So view terms and conditions. If I click on this, it will take me to the page where it's giving me all the terms and conditions. Second, I have add delegates. So I'll add delegates basically. So the company where I'm working for example, the accountant or any company. So I'll put that. Tell us about the details. So now it's asking for the payment. So to set up a pension scheme, you need to provide them the payment. So where the payments, I have provided all the details for the payment. Now it's confirming that I confirm all the details are correct. My bank account number, sort code. So business bank account we are talking about. Direct debit mandatory. So obviously if there is anything they have to take, they can take it from it. When and what you will pay. So obviously, like I said, you don't pay anything until if your employees opt out. So if you have opened a company recently and your employees opt out, you don't pay anything. So employers contribution is 3%, workers contribution is 5%. So now it's asking my group name, obviously when I wanted to pay, every month I wanted to pay. So I have select monthly, pay period, when you will pay, workers contribution, employer contribution, from 6th April 2019. That's the rates are. Okay, save group. So I have clicked on that. Now it says complete group setup. So I have done that. How you will organize your payment. Okay, view payment schedule. So monthly they will take 5% from workers contribution, 3% from that. Setting up Nest. So these are the terms and conditions. Employers notice. So we need to provide this employers notice. So this is the PDF they provide you. So whenever you hire any employee, you need to offer them pension. It's up to them whether they opt in or opt out. If they stay opt in, only that time you will pay the charges. If they opt out, you don't pay anything. Okay. If you are with Nest Pension, you have completed your Nest Pension. Inform your workers, enroll your workers. Now we will enroll our workers. My Nest Home. I'll click on that. It giving me update my details. All up details are correct. Now I have manage contribution, manage workers, mailbox, manage delegates, manage payment, manage secure file transfer, organization detail, manage your security details. So I have all this on this one page. Mailbox. So you have new delegates for your Nest account. So delegate access, which obviously the accountant, which we have done it. Manage your workers. So we need to create workers. You need to add workers to that. So if I click on workers, manage your workers, enroll online, view in active workers, view upload. So my source, all payment, all details. So opt in, opt out. So what do you want with the workers as well? So this is all the details is asking. So if I click on enroll online, now it's asking enroll a worker in Nest. So obviously if you are a director, you're starting yourself. So you have to enroll yourself as well. If you're on a skilled worker visa, planning to do that. So your name details, last name, date of birth, gender, workers national insurance number, contact details, worker contact details, building, workers group enrollment, group type. So obviously we have mentioned that. Start date is the date from which the workers enrollment is Nest is effective. and contribution are expected. This is usually the date of the worker becomes eligible and automatic enrollment. This could be the starting date. So obviously, if the employee starting date, that will be the worker's next pension enrollment date. So start date you can see from the contract. So whichever the date the employee signed the contract, put that date as that. So I have, like, you put all the details in, and then after that you click enroll the worker.